At Voyage, we connect communities with autonomous vehicles. We've started with 2 communities and operate and provide a service for residents where we can travel between 0 and 25 miles per hour anywhere within the community.
At Voyage, we're building a service to empower retirement community members to travel from one place to another autonomously. So they get to do it safely, they get to do it on their watch.
It was exciting to see them really embrace autonomous vehicles because they saw a real need for them. Very often we've heard these stories from residents about how the transportation options they had in their communities were just poor or non-existent. And then as they become older, they become less confident with their driving.
So we're really supercharging their communities with autonomous capability. This Voyage vehicle will get you from point A to point B safely, autonomously. At Voyage, we designed our service to be as usable as possible. A passenger will get inside the vehicle. There is a very simple display that shows them a couple of destinations or points of interest they can go to. From there, it can just click on the screen and the car will start moving and bring them in that direction.
So many companies look at this problem and decide that they either can buy something off the shelf or roll their own, and many of them decide to roll their own. We looked at this decision and thought, well, we can roll our own and invest all the resources and time into doing that, or we can go with a battle-proven, well-tested solution and know what we're going to get in terms of performance and safety and security. So one of the reasons we selected RTI DDS is, one, I've been working with it for a number of years in many aerospace, underwater applications, and now self-driving vehicles. It's been the most mature and battle-tested implementation of DDS out there. It's very high performance, and furthermore, it's one of the only implementations that has a path to safety certifiability, which is important for applications such as self-driving cars. We feel that our time and our expertise is better spent solving the actual problems of the AV space and autonomous driving. So one of the big things that we place a big emphasis here on at Voyage is writing robust, safe, well-tested software with the right performance attributes across the entire stack that can perform these challenging tasks in real time and safely deliver people from A to B with all the number of redundancies and safety critical checks in place.
So the things that excite me most about Voyage and what we're building is twofold and pretty incredible power that we're, introducing to these communities. Second is the advanced technology we're developing. The world has never seen technology like this. ConnectCDS makes sure that we don't accidentally send a note that commands the vehicle to do something that it's not actually allowed to do.
As we start to think about building safety critical applications, especially a product that is driverless, that's what's really important to have features that are available in ConnectCDS.
RTI Connects is basically the backbone of our software stack. It's the communication infrastructure that allows all the different elements in our system to talk together. So we have many different compute systems, and ConnectCDS allows us to basically be able to integrate all this together and know what we're getting. So especially for our real-time and safety critical systems, we tend to rely on Connects Micro, whereas for some of our less real-time, less safety critical components of our system, we use Connects Pro and the tools associated with it. DDS in general, by supporting UDP and the concept of quality of service policies, allows us to move more data more quickly through our system and in a very fine-grained and controllable way. Additionally, RTI Connects adds some additional value-add features on top of this, such as the flat data construct and the zero-copy shared memory transport. When we write software that needs to communicate with other parts of our system, whether it's a vendor's library or our own software or another piece of software running a different compute system, DDS allows us to know exactly how that message is going to be delivered and roughly when it's going to be delivered. In a few simple words, our use of DDS can basically be described as our data, where we want it, when we want it, and how we want it.
One of the reasons why we selected ConnectCDS was because of the performance aspects. The other solutions didn't have support for large data, and that was something we critically needed.
Developing this kind of technology for the use case that we're developing it for is pretty inspiring to wake up to every single day.
RTI's products and services allow us to accelerate our development and build safety critical applications.